Hello beautiful people, this is Bhakti Vadera, the new me, or maybe you can call it Bhakti Vadera 2.0, my new version. After seeing this video, you people will come to know why am I introducing myself in this way. So let me tell you about my journey. Since a few months, I was not at all okay. Many problems and things were going on in my life, physically, mentally, and all the ways. And I was always feeling very sad, frustrated, always angry, or sometimes even don't react to things or just burst out loud. All these mood swings and all these things were going on. And then one angel came into my life, and that was Bhakti Sangvi. She is a transformation coach and my friend too. So she came into my life and she insisted me on doing this course. It is called Incredible You, and we are on that journey of transforming lives. And she has completely transformed my life. It is not much time, just few weeks we are together. But still, she has made a lot of difference in my life, and in a very good sense. I'm never sad. I'm not much frustrated or anything like that. I'm always happy. I feel good, even if there are problems. You see, problems are never gonna end in our life. If no problems, I don't think so there is life. But it is important how you tackle them, how you be with them. Actually, sometimes we are surrounded by such people who pull us down, let us down, don't let us grow, and all those things. But if you are with the right kind of people around you, you can be whatever you want to be in your life, and you can do whatever you want to do, and you can reach wherever you want to reach, for sure. But now, as I'm on this journey, I feel so much confident, I feel so much happy, I feel so much lively and so much energetic. Trust me guys, if you love yourself, you have confidence, and you have that energy, no matter what color, what size, what shape, what gender you are, people are gonna love you like anything. Trust me for this. And this is the transformation you can get in this course. So I would like you people also to join this and experience the difference in you, and to create a new you.